Starts now with Chief Meteorologist Curtis Grevenens.
All right, welcome back, everybody. We had three fires, I say had, burning in the state because two of them are pretty much out here. The largest fire, the Magpie Rock Fire, that is over 3,000 acres now, and it continues to grow. That's the biggest fire presently in the state. The Clear Creek Fire, 100% contained, no growth, and the Whistle Creek Fire south of Big Timber, also 100% contained and no growth on that. A lot of the firefighters from those two fires heading to the Magpie Rock Fire. The air quality a little better out there today. Not that it's been terrible, but you could see a little bit better here. The fires down into Northern California contributing a lot of the smoke. Not as active out there today as they have been the last few days, but still a little hazy. 97 degrees in Helena right now, and this weekend will be warmer. Great Falls a little cooler at 89, likely getting a little outflow from some of the thunderstorms there, but hotter the farther west you go in the state. Missoula did hit 100 degrees. The wind, a little breezy. This wind coming in from the east in many locations, and some of the driest locations, 16% humidity Helena and Bozeman, and 15% relative humidity in Missoula. A little more in the way of moisture with the thunderstorms that went through eastern Montana earlier on. Still a heat advisory for another few hours. Likely parts of the state will need that heat advisory for Saturday and Sunday as well. Early today was northeast and eastern Montana, and then into the afternoon you can see some of these storms. Looks like even a new severe thunderstorm just west of Havre here. Some showers and storms popped near the Helena area, kind of skipped over the valley and then redeveloped over the big belts, the little belts. We've had a couple of thunderstorms up there as well. A little further towards the south, had a storm around Boulder earlier. This storm, a couple of these heading off of the Rocky Mountain front, could hang intact and ride right along the Sun River like it did last night and make its way all the way into Great Falls. And here we go. This is a severe thunderstorm warning for just northwest of Havre. You can see that storm kind of drifting more towards the south than the southeast here. Some large hail likely with that, some gusty winds as well. Big storm about ready to move into the north side of Chester. Northeast Montana, we had our activity earlier this morning. Here's the big picture. Big monsoon high pushing the ridge all the way up through the western U.S. into western Canada here. However, there's another high pressure, Canadian high pressure, that's kind of driving down some cooler air really into the northern plains, and some of that made its way into northeast Montana today. For this weekend, though, hot temperatures for just about everybody. Afternoon, isolated thunderstorms, meaning few and far between in the western part of the state here, and then heading into Sunday, same thing. A few isolated thunderstorms, western central Montana. Sunday likely the hottest day. More numerous, more scattered thunderstorms coming through on Monday with a cold front that will be passing through. And then heading into Tuesday, still the area of low pressure will be just off towards the north, and we could have a couple of showers. Much cooler air coming in here by about 10, 15, maybe even 20 degrees for Tuesday and Wednesday. Wednesday looks like a pretty nice day. Here's the forecast for tonight. A warm night, 50s and 60s for many locations here. Those temperatures not really dropping off very quickly. And here's the forecast for tomorrow. Couple of isolated thunderstorms up into the 90s, and those storms western and central Montana. Eastern Montana will be a little drier and also a little cooler, 86 degrees in Glasgow as opposed to 96 in Helena and Missoula. For Sunday, the heat is on, getting up close to 100 degrees for some locations. Monday, hot out ahead of the front. Not sure why there aren't any numbers out there, but 95 Great Falls, 96 in Helena. Most of the state will be in the 90s on Monday. Tuesday, a different story. 77 lovely degrees in Cut Bank, about 83 in Great Falls, and 85 in the Helena area. Here's the 7-day forecast. Hot this weekend. It may go up to 100 degrees on Sunday. Monday, scattered thunderstorms ahead of some cooler air coming in, but we're back into the heat with higher fire danger Thursday and Friday as the wind picks up. And for Great Falls, a hot weekend. This first weekend of August, likely the hottest weekend we will see all year long when all is said and done. And then it's slightly cooler Tuesday and Wednesday of next week.